Have you ever wondered how a single discovery can transform our entire understanding of what it means to be alive? On April 25, 1953, two scientists published a short paper that would forever change our understanding of life itself. By the end of this video, you'll discover how the discovery of DNA's structure unlocked the greatest mysteries of life and continues to revolutionize medicine and science to this day. It was a seemingly ordinary spring day at Cambridge University in England. Watson was just 24 years old, Crick was 36. Neither was particularly well known in the scientific community. Yet, on April 25, 1953, the prestigious journal Nature published their groundbreaking paper titled, "A Structure for Deoxyribonucleic Acid." At just over 1 page long, it was remarkably brief for something so monumental. Their elegantly simple model revealed that DNA consists of two strands wound around each other in a spiral staircase-like structure, what we now know as the double helix. The steps of this staircase were made of 4 chemical bases, always paired in specific ways: adenine with thymine and guanine with cytosine. But it wasn't just the structure that was revolutionary. It was what this structure implied. The specific pairing of the bases suggested a copying mechanism, a way for genetic information to be replicated and passed down from generation to generation. As Watson and Crick famously understated in their paper, it has not escaped our notice that the specific pairing we have postulated immediately suggests a possible copying mechanism for the genetic material. The path to this discovery wasn't straightforward. Watson and Crick were building on the work of many other scientists. Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins had produced crucial X-ray diffraction images of DNA. Erwin Chargaff had discovered the proportional relationships between different DNA bases. Linus Pauling had pioneered the study of molecular structures. Rosalind Franklin's contributions deserve special recognition. Her X-ray diffraction photograph, known as Photo 51, provided key evidence for the helical structure of DNA. Tragically, Franklin died of cancer in 1958 at the age of 37, before the Nobel Prize was awarded for the discovery. The Nobel Prize can only be awarded to living recipients, and so when Watson, Crick, and Wilkins received the award in 1962, Franklin's contribution wasn't formally recognized. The implications of this discovery have been truly staggering. Understanding DNA's structure has allowed us to map the human genome, develop life-saving treatments, solve crimes through DNA fingerprinting, trace human ancestry, and even edit genes to potentially cure genetic diseases. Consider this. Before Watson and Crick's discovery, we had no clear understanding of how genetic traits were passed from parents to children at the molecular level. Today, we can read the 3 billion letters of a person's genetic code and are starting to precisely edit that code to treat previously incurable diseases. What's fascinating is how this discovery started a revolution that continues to transform our world today. From personalized medicine tailored to your specific genetic makeup, to editing crops to be more nutritious and drought-resistant, to potentially bringing back extinct species, the ripple effects of what happened on April 25, 1953, keep expanding. What aspects of DNA research fascinate you the most? Are you curious about tracing your ancestry or how gene editing might transform medicine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The story of DNA's discovery reminds us that science often advances through collaboration, building on the work of others and sometimes seeing familiar information from a fresh perspective. As Watson later reflected, the double helix was indeed a helix, not an origami-like structure, and its message was clear: the structure so beautiful had to be right. Hit that like button if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe to History Sparks. Tomorrow's video will take you inside another pivotal moment that revolutionized how we understand our world. I promise you won't want to miss it. Your perspective on the incredible discoveries that shape our lives will never be the same. This is History Sparks, where the past illuminates our future.